Elf Learning presents Nature. Phrases 1. Listen and repeat. Beach, beach, crabs on the beach. Beach, beach, crabs on the beach. Cloud, cloud, clouds in the sky. Cloud, cloud, clouds in the sky. Desert, desert, lizards in the desert. Desert, desert, lizards in the desert. Farm, farm, cows on the farm. Farm, farm, cows on the farm. Flowers, flowers, flowers in the garden. Flowers, flowers, flowers in the garden. Forest, forest, bears in the forest. Forest, forest, bears in the forest. Grass, grass, grass in the park. Grass, grass, grass in the park. Jungle, jungle, monkeys in the jungle. Jungle, jungle, monkeys in the jungle. Lake, lake, boats on the lake. Lake, lake, boats on the lake. Leaf, leaf, leaves in the trees. Leaf, leaf, leaves in the trees. Moon, moon, moon at night. Moon, moon, moon at night. Mountain, mountain, snow on the mountains. Mountain, mountain, snow on the mountains. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.